You're tired of sacrificing performance for convenience, but the traditional desktop PC is just too cumbersome to fit on your office desk, right? Well, I've got some good news for you. Today, we're taking a closer look at the GMKtec M8 Mini PC, a premium office gaming PC that redefines the boundaries of what a desktop computer should be. We're about to explore its incredible capabilities, real-world performance, and how it stacks up against the competition. Now, let's set the stage. The M8 Mini PC is a compact powerhouse designed for those seeking a seamless blend of productivity and entertainment. It's built around the AMD Ryzen 5 Pro 6650H processor, a 6-core, 12-thread monster that delivers exceptional multitasking capabilities and impressive speeds up to 4.5 GHz. Couple that with an integrated AMD Radeon 6 60M graphics card, and you've got yourself a formidable ally for mid-range gaming and 4K video editing. But here's the thing. Most mini PCs sacrifice raw power for the sake of convenience, often resulting in lackluster performance and an overemphasis on storage expansion. Not the M8 Mini PC, however. It's engineered to provide not only blistering memory speeds, but also a plethora of connectivity options that make it an absolute joy to use. The first thing I want to talk about is the design and build quality. The M8 Mini PC is undeniably sleek and compact, measuring only 4.7 inches in height and 5.3 inches in width. You can easily place it under your monitor or on a crowded desk without hogging too much space. The all-aluminum chassis exudes a premium feel, with precision-crafted lines and a textured finish that gives it a solid, no-nonsense look. In terms of usability, the M8 Mini PC is surprisingly intuitive. It includes multiple USB ports, a pair of USB-A and USB-C ports, in addition to an HDMI 2.0 port for connecting to a 4K display, making it simple to connect peripherals and display devices. Speaking of USB, you'll also find a USB-C port that supports the latest USB 4 standard, which allows for speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, and Oculink, which is a proprietary high-speed interface designed by GMKtec. With such high-speed connectivity options, data transfer becomes an almost instantaneous experience. Now, let's dive into the M8 Mini PC's impressive feature set. As I mentioned earlier, this Mini PC is equipped with a whopping 16 gigabytes of fast LPDDR5 RAM, which provides blisteringly fast memory access speeds of up to 6,400 MHz. Storage is also covered with a respectable 512 gigabytes PCIe SSD, giving you ample room to store your most used software, documents, and projects. Dual NIC LAN with 2.5 GB connectivity ensures reliable and fast networking, so you can stay connected and productive without the hassle of data buffering or slow file transfers. Furthermore, with dual display support via dual HDMI outputs, you can multitask between multiple screens or share a single screen with colleagues. So, let's talk about its real-world performance. To be honest, I've been pleasantly surprised by what this mini PC could handle during my testing sessions. I threw at it demanding workloads like editing 4K videos, playing mid-range games, and executing complex data analysis tasks, and it consistently delivered smooth and responsive frame rates. Whether I needed to create professional presentations, crunch numbers in Google Sheets, or stream high-definition videos, this compact powerhouse handled it all like a pro. Of course, no review of any product would be complete without discussing its pros and cons. On the plus side, the M8 Mini PC has a stellar combination of raw power, compact design, and connectivity options. For its price, it's a hard-to-beat value offering, especially considering the sheer performance you receive. On the downside, some potential buyers might find the M8 Mini PC's build quality a tad lacking compared to more high-end options. While its aluminum chassis still looks and feels premium, it does have some small tolerances that might be visible when held in the right light. Compared to competing mini PCs, the M8 Mini PC stands out for its sheer speed. While many of its peers might promise lightning-fast performance, but ultimately delivers subpar results, the M8 Mini PC delivers. It's a great option for those seeking a high-end desktop experience without sacrificing portability. At the end of the day, the GMKtec M8 Mini PC has been a game-changer for this review room. With blistering performance, excellent connectivity, and a durable design, it checks every box on our wish list. But before making the leap, be sure to check the price, especially if budget is a concern. The final verdict is this. If you need a no-compromise office PC that's just as comfortable handling demanding workloads as their gaming marathons or creative endeavors, look no further than the M8 Mini PC. Order it today and discover for yourself a world where productivity and entertainment blend seamlessly, a true testament to what this incredible mini PC can accomplish.